Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we're back live with our final two packs of the first 2025 NFL Blaster Box. We still got one full one left and two WNBA Prism Blasters and the big Mosiac Mega Box that I'm saving for last. But let's see what we can get out of these last two from the first blaster. Let's see what we can get. Let's see, Dan Fouts. Oh, what is this? Patrick Queen Steelers. What is that? Oh, is that? Oh, that's a bang one. That's cool. I got Patrick. Ooh, I got my Epic Performers on the orange. I guess this is my what's it called? Orange fluorescent. We got Derek Stingley Jr. on the orange, and it's on an insert. Hall of Fame Gates. Aeneas Williams. Oh man, this one's been not so great. Not even a rookie pull out of those. But let's see what we can get out of these final this final pack. We got Trey Benson. We got Tanj Brooks. There's a rookie finally. We got LeGarrette Blount on the green. Oh, we did get a shiny looking Jaden Daniels one. Not numbered or nothing, sadly. And then England Games, Garrett Wilson. And then Jack Campbell. But yeah, so we only got one rookie card out of them two packs. We got our Epic Performers orange fluorescent on the insert. We got Stingley Jr. for our player out of the first box, so not the best. No numbered, no autographs, no case hit pulls, but I'm hoping to get it soon, man. I'm hoping. But we just got to keep hoping and keep ripping. But see you guys on the next one. Peace.